monday.com has saved us a lot of workload time across the business.
In a matter of days, I became a master in it. So it's like Legos. You can build out anything out of it. From doing the littlest of processes to the most complex strategies that you do. You don't have to switch between different tools and softwares.
So Officeworks helps make bigger things happen. We are the leading stationery retailer in Australia. We've got 167 stores across the country and range just over 35,000 different products. My team determine what products go on what shelf and where that lands within the store to make the best possible customer shopping journey and the greatest consistency across our fleet of stores.
In the very first few hours of a product launch, sales vary from $500,000 to $2 million. Customers are waiting for the product to be launched in the market and they want to be the very first customer to have that in their hand. It is very important to be done on time, and there was no exact process for the handover from a product launch on the website to the product actually going into the store and how it would be displayed.
Before monday.com, a lot of it happened through different emails, different face-to-face conversations or calls, which made it really hard to see if everyone was meeting all these different deadlines.
One thing that we have accomplished with monday.com is migration of manual processes and spreadsheets.
We had one sheet per week and we had about 4 years worth on there.
That transformation has been really easy. Any processes, no matter how big or small, how easy or complex, can be managed in monday.com.
So in my role, I look more at the high-level strategy. However, my team get into the detail of everything that's happening. And that's one thing that monday.com does really, really well. It allows different views for different users so they can streamline it down for their particular function. You can see ahead of time when something is coming up. The automations can give you reminders just before the task is due to be done. And you can see that everybody has actually done their task on time, which means all the rest of the workflow is able to progress smoothly. All the information that you need, all the different workflows that you might be involved in are all consolidated in the one point for you. The dashboards within monday.com give us a lot of really key insights.
The best part of it is the leadership team who are very vested into this process. They just need to know what's going on and where we are at with different projects or product launches.
So at a glance, I can see how workload is happening. I can see how the balance of updates is comparing across different departments. Particularly for me as a manager, I can see if there's anything that is falling behind that needs a little bit of help to pick it back up. Instead of spending a lot of my mornings following up the team, seeing where they're up to, seeing what they're working on, I can now see it all in the one spot, which opens up my time to then work on other projects that we've started to kick off. It's made their lives a lot easier and a lot smoother. We're able to make better decisions within everybody's individual work, which means better ranges happening in store, more accurate forecasts happening. And this in turn drives more revenue and a bit of cost saving,